The Yanique Williams School for the Deaf is now speaks volumes without a single word. Sections of the school have been rehabilitated. Yanique Williams tells us more in this week's edition of A Ray of Hope.
The Yanique Williams School for the Deaf sits quietly, almost like a hidden treasure tucked away from the noise of the outside world. But within its gates is a language far louder than words, a language of resilience, determination, and courage. For the students here, life has never been defined by silence. Instead, it has been shaped by movement, expression, and the powerful ability to communicate from the heart. Behind the bright smiles of its students were daily struggles, aging infrastructure, limited resources, and a constant fight to ensure children living in a world without sound could still feel seen, safe, and empowered.
In around 2020, we started looking at the structural integrity of the school. We had come off of a big anniversary and we were saying we need the legacy to continue, but for that to happen, the structure has to be intact. And we got an engineer's report. The outreach department at the Faculty of Engineering at the University of the West Indies graciously did a report for us and showed us that the walls were buckling. So to the naked eye, there was slight curves in some places, but not pronounced. And then they said, no, it's a serious buckling because the foundation is shifting.
Transformation is slowly breathing life back into the institution. Fresh rehabilitation work is giving sections of the school a renewed sense of purpose, while newly installed strobe lights stand as guardians across the compound. Unlike ordinary alarms, they rely on sound. These flashing lights speak directly to the students.
Well, this change will impact our teaching and learning process, being that the classroom walls are now better equipped. We have sturdy walls that we can put up charts and we can do different things.
In the meantime, a representative from the Sagicor Foundation says it's important for children to have a safe and a supportive learning environment.
So for Yanique Williams School for the Deaf project, we demolished all the drywalls that were affected by termites. We reconstructed these drywalls. We did a lot of painting as well as install an addressable fire alarm system.
With renewed support, the Yanique Williams School for the Deaf is ensuring students can shine bright like a diamond. With your ray of hope, I'm Yanique Williams.